Hey, Travels with Dottie here with a special one-off video here concerning my friend Russ with RV or TV, one of the first channels I got addicted to when exploring the RV lifestyle. He's an iconic figure in Quartzsite, Arizona, where I spend my winters, and you could make an argument that he could have the most successful RV space YouTube channel. Everyone's definition is a little different, but what's happened is his account was hacked, and it's a really hard time for him. If you are one of his watchers or subscribers, you may notice there's a live stream on his channel that has something to do with Trump and trying to sell cryptocurrency. That is not Russ. He's working diligently behind the scenes to get his channel back under control. And the last time I looked at it, all his original videos were still there. And the only bump in the road I've seen so far is that particular live stream that's out there. Recording of it is out there. So let's all hope for Russ that he gets his channel back soon. Now, for those of you that have YouTube channels like me, and this scares you, you're not alone. It scares me. It scares my friends, Deborah Dickinson and Frugal RV Gal. We were all together last night, and Deborah had Russ on the phone, and it's something that can happen to any of us. And I knew this existed. I think it happened to Russ 78609, if you know his channel, a few years ago. And Frugal RV Gal actually helped him get his channel back when that happened a few years ago. And there is a common thread that I'm seeing and understanding is that the channel is captured by you clicking on something either in a message, a text message, or more likely, I think most of them I heard about has been a email. And one of the really nefarious things about this, it's not a random email. It's someone that you've built up what seemed to be a legitimate relationship with over the internet, going back and forth. Typically for a YouTuber, it's someone having serious discussions with you about a sponsorship deal. And ultimately, click here for your contract. And who wouldn't do that? You know, you're talking about this lucrative thing, you're all excited about it, you click on it. There never was a contract, and your credentials are instantly stolen, and you've lost your YouTube account. And I suggest that if it happens to you, the instructions to get it back, I found Chat GPT did a really good job of outlining those instructions, because as I was listening to Trugal RV Gal and Deborah communicate with Russ, and that communication, the things that he's doing to recover his channel are the exact things I was seeing in Chat GTP when I think I asked the question, what do you do when your YouTube channel is stolen from you? And also another good question is, what information do I need to save right now that I might need if that happens? And then they'll give you information to get off your channel that you might only have access to while you still have it. So I won't go into the specific details of those things, but I found a couple of them last night, and I saved them off to a file. So I have that, and I'm armed and ready to fight that battle should it ever happen to me. But it can happen to any of us. You know, I think that I go back to a couple of years ago. I was tired at the end of the day, and I was expecting a package from UPS or the post office, and I got a text that said, "We have your package, but we can't move it because you owe $1 on it." So I was tired. I clicked on that. I put in my credit card information for the dollar. I hit the enter key, and then I thought, "Oh no, what have I done?" And of course, they got lucky because they send out thousands of these things. The scammer got lucky that I happened to be waiting anxiously for a package, and they scooped up my credit card number. Luckily, I called the bank right away and shut down that card. So nothing happened, but it certainly could have. Think if I had put in, God forbid, my debit card number and not realized it right away, they could have wiped cash out of my checking account. So be careful out there. You can support Russ on Facebook. He's still in control of his Facebook, and I believe it's on Facebook. It's, hang on, let me pull it up just to make sure. RVer TV Quartzsite is his Facebook page, and here's what that Facebook looks like. So hop on there and give your support to Russ, and we hope he gets his channel back any day. How about any hour that and we hope the best for him. He's a great mentor for me and other YouTubers, and we all owe him a lot. Well, this has been Travels with Dottie with a special announcement. Take care, and I'll see you on one of my regular videos.